this is the experiment for configuring configuring extended ACL in the given topology. Here we see there are three networks connected to our router. This is PC1, this is PC2, and this is a web server. Now this is the configuration of extended ACL. Previously we saw standard ACL. Through standard ACL we can only configure a particular network or particular host, but using extended ACL we can even permit or deny the protocols or particular port numbers. We can configure in these ways as well. Now in this particular scenario what we see is this PC can contact only through FTP to the server, whereas this PC, it is the second PC, it can have only web access to the server. Now PC1 and PC2 are not able to ping each other, but both the PCs should be able to ping to the web server. So how do we configure? Now in the router we see we give access list. We start with access list. We see there is 1 to 99 for the standard access list and from 100 to 199 that for extended. So we will give 100. Then we will give what type of, we can see whether it is deny, permit or remark. So we are permitting. Only particular things are permitted. Rest all will be denied by default. So we will permit what all we can permit. We can permit this. So we know we have to permit FTP. Now FTP uses TCP. So we will write TCP. The source destination. The wildcard mask. And then we can write the this was source address, and then we can write the destination address and the wildcard mask of the destination address. Now here what we see is the destination address and the wildcard mask is written when it is a particular network. Now here we see it is a web server, so web server is having its own address. So we can write the address of web server directly. So using the host command. Host means to a particular host. The destination is a particular host, and then what type of EQ and what type of protocol we are permitting. That is FTP protocol. So this is one access list. Okay. Next we have to permit the ICMP, that is the ping command. So we will write ICMP, same thing, source address, wild mask, and the destination address, that is we will write using host command, host and IP address. Okay. So through this we can permit ICMP also for the particular PC. Now we should specify this for that particular interface. So we will go to FA0/0, that is this PC is connected to FA0/0, and how we will will give access group. What was the group number? 100 to all the incoming queries. So in this way we can configure extended ACL for one PC. Now for configuring for PC2, we see again we will go with exit from the interface. It is the same thing, access list, that is 100, we can give 100. Then here we are configuring www. Now same thing, source address, wild mask, host and destination address, the IP address of server. So using this we can configure. It uses EQ. There is a mistake. We can write TCP. This is the source address, wild mask, host, destin IP address, and EQ, www. Using this we can configure, and for the ICMP we can do the same, and we can go to this interface, that is FA4/0, and we can give that access group for all the incoming commands. So now when we see a ping from PC to server, it will not be possible. Yeah. If we see a ping from PC to server, that is 3462, 172.22.34.62, you will see that we'll get the reply because only ping to server is possible. But now if we want to ping it to the other PC, that is 34.998, 172.22.34.98. So you can see the destination host is unreachable, that is the ping is unsuccessful. Same way, if we go to PC2, go to desktop, when you open the web browser, now if you write 172.22.34.62, we get a reply. But if we write the address of, if we try to ping this computer, that is 34.66, 172.22.34.66, the destination host is unreachable. So you can see the ping to both the computers. Both the computers cannot ping to each other, but they can connect to the server using FTP and www, that is HTTP.